So you want to be a self-taught programmer. Maybe you have dreams of working at one of those big tech companies, but you only know one line of code. You felt incompetent for a very long time, and finally, you couldn't take it anymore. You decided to take action. You told yourself, I will finally make myself cool. As a brave warrior, you equip yourself with a keyboard and search for Python programming for beginners on YouTube. Seeing the first 2 videos are a few hours long, you immediately click on the tutorial made by CS Dojo. You find that his videos are great, clear and easy to follow along. Perhaps you start watching his videos at 2 times speed because you are one of those speedrunner types, but that's completely fine. You mastered the foundations after learning about variables, control statements, the loop-de-loops, functions, and some basic data structures. After which, you suddenly feel lost and unsure what to do. Your YouTube recommendations are sending you mixed signals, inviting you to pursue game development while discouraging you to code at the same time. As you explore, the reality of just how diverse computer science is shocks you. If you want to go pro, competitive programming might be the way to go. Google Code Jam, hackathons, whatever thons. You go ahead and quickly learn about the different sorts, complex algorithms, and discover that geniuses from all around the world are writing code that you cannot even read. You see that one Belarusian dude constantly topping the leaderboards of Google Code Jam, and you wonder why you even tried to begin with. If you want to be a hacker man, cybersecurity would be a great choice. You hear about tournaments like Capture the Flag, which sounds like a thing straight out of TF2 but is actually a safe playground for people to just gain a legal excuse to hack each other. Ethically, of course. As a rookie, you start not with the cool stuff, but learn how to be comfortable with the Linux operating system and use sudo and grep on the command line. But honestly, command lines can be cool. People customize them all the time to make themselves look pro. You move on and learn that this dragon looking thing known as Kali Linux is available, and you go ahead and try it. Or maybe you find artificial intelligence and deep learning cool. You want to know how all those self-driving cars work and learn to teach a machine a new skill. You look into neural networks such as the convolutional neural network and are presented with the typical MNIST dataset. Of course, you're not spared from all the complicated mathematics filled with calculus and matrix manipulations. However, as you do more research, you realize that people have been teaching AI to write code. You suffer an existential crisis and ponder about life itself at this point. Don't like these things? No problem, you have so many other options. All of these are just different realities though, and you might not go ahead and actually put yourself through the torture of learning so many new things. It feels overwhelming, complicated, and you feel intimidated. By now, you might feel discouraged from whatever I have said. But this is where I stop you right there. I admit, it is not an easy task, but the journey is extremely fulfilling. For you to have the courage to take the first step in coding is already commendable. For that, I want to give you a pat on the back. Don't give yourself pressure to be the best. Build something that matters to you. Build things that solve a problem. Go beyond just being a Stack Overflow answer searching expert, though there is no shame as even pros do it all the time. I wish you all the best in whatever you do. If you like my channel and want to see more cool content, please consider subscribing and check out the other things I do. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again.